Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Reports QuickBooks Online. Let's start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. After you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the left-hand navigation, look for the Reports option. This is your hub for turning your transactions into clear insights, so go ahead and click Reports to open the full Reports Center. Inside the Reports Center, you'll see categories that group related reports together so they're easier to find. For a high-level snapshot of how your business is doing, select the Business Overview section. This area brings together the core financial reports most people rely on regularly, making it a great place to begin if you're checking in weekly or preparing for meetings. Within Business Overview, you'll also notice a Favorites tab. This is a convenient place that collects reports you or your team have previously marked as favorites, so you can return to them quickly without hunting around. If you regularly review the same set of reports, using favorites helps create a simple routine and keeps your workflow consistent. Next, open the balance sheet. This report shows what your business owns, what it owes, and the owner's equity at a specific point in time. Think of it as a financial snapshot that answers, where do we stand today? It complements your profit and loss by focusing on position rather than performance, so it's especially helpful for understanding cash, debt, and overall health. At the top of the balance sheet, locate the report period. This setting controls the time frame for the snapshot. Click Report Period to choose a preset range or define exactly what you want to see. Getting this right is important because it determines which transactions are included and which balances appear on the report. For full control, click the From field to set your start date. Then click the To field to set your end date. Many businesses align these dates to month end or quarter end, like from the first to the last day of the month. So balances reconcile cleanly with bank statements and other schedules. If you're reviewing trends, consider running the same report for multiple consecutive periods and comparing the results. After you adjust the dates, the report will refresh to reflect your selection, so you can verify that asset, liability, and equity totals look as expected. That's it. You've navigated to reports, explored Business Overview and Favorites, opened the balance sheet, and set the precise report period using From and To. With these essentials, you're ready to review your numbers confidently and keep your books on track.